Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to add categories in Discord Mobile. Whether you're starting a brand new server or implementing them into an existing one, you can bring order to your channels as sub-channels housed neatly under categories as you refine your server's layout. Think of a category like an umbrella. Just like channels have permissions, so do categories. To add a new category to your channel, open Discord app. Second, go to your server. Then, click the three dots icon. Next, pick the Create Category option. Finally, enter the name of the category and confirm by pressing the Save icon. Excellent! You have created a new category on the Discord server. With categories, you can manage how you want to see unread messages as well. If you mute the categories, you will still see if a channel has unread messages but won't receive notifications. If you collapse the category, it will only show channels that have unread messages within them and you will still get your notifications. If you mute and collapse a category, you'll hide all channels under the category and not display unread messages. A channel will only be surfaced again if you are mentioned directly or if a role you are a part of is mentioned. With just a bit of organization, you can help your server feel simple and clean. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.